back with video number 6 of creating a dynamic workbook index. This is a bonus video. In this video, we're just going to highlight how to fix my link problems and how to give my index here a little space. Okay, so as I like to say, give it some breathing room. So we'll do that. And that's done with a macro. So I'm going to come over here and grab and this, you will get a link to this. So adjust row size is the macro. And what this macro does is it goes down, in this case it's row 4000, we'll change that to 400. It says adjust it to fit, or at least have a minimum of a 20 row height. So let's copy this, Control C, move that out of the way, go into Developer, Visual Basic. Here we are again. If you remember, we are in Module 2. I'm going to put it there, Control V to paste. I'm going to change this to 400 because I'm guessing I won't have more than 400 sheets, or an index that's more than 400 long. And there, I now have the ability to do that. And I just want to copy this and Control C. I'll show you a little trick here. What I want to do is I want to come into the index. I'm going to right click and I'm going to say View Code. And we want Worksheet Activate. So I can get rid of this. Now when I activate the worksheet, what do I want to have happen? I want to call that macro. So every time we select the worksheet, it's going to call this macro and adjust our rows. And it'll just happen each time we pick the worksheet. So let's see how this works. I'm going to go to Sheet List, and let's go back to Index. You can see it's running. There you go. I now have some space. But what I really want to do is I'm going to select a cell in the table, and I'm going to say Control A. That selects the entire table, and I want my formatting to be in the middle so that it isn't a justified top or bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'm going to save the file, Control S. So that's done. Now let's fix the links. You can see that because there's a space in here, which I covered in an earlier video, that's a problem. So we're going to go to the tabs, and I can go right to the first one that works, and then select the next tab, and I'm going to rename that, get rid of the space. So I didn't make you watch me change all of the items. What I did is I went through and renamed all the analysis items so that they would work. But remember, the process here is we first update our sheet list, then we update our index, and all of our link problems should disappear. And there you go. So as you add sheets or move them around, the index is dynamic. If you have a name that's improper, or you get a file that has a bunch of sheets with names that don't work, just modify the names so that they do work. So I can go now to any of those sheets, returned index. That's it for this video. That's it for this series. So good luck to everyone. I think that this is a useful tool, and something you'll be able to immediately put to use. Thanks.